Okay, yeah, it's voice over time. So this is a 24-inch red I just caught, and you're gonna cut behind the head, around the throat, come back. Then you're gonna cut through the stomach to get it out. Cut down that line so the blood will start able to come out. And you're just gonna follow its backbone all the way down to its tail, or just as far as you want it. And then you're gonna start cutting in towards the the bone, I guess you can say. And just keep going all the way through. You're not going to be able to cut through the ribs. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to cut all the way through, come back towards the ribs. Then you're going to grab the ribs and rip them off. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. Just cut along that backbone right there. It is a little bit more difficult on this side once you get the fillet done. Once you get the fillet off the other side, it is a little more difficult because the fish is now lopsided. Same thing, just keep cutting towards the bone. Just rip the ribs off. This one got a little stuck. When you get the throat out, you're just going to grab him like that, break his spine. You're going to cut in the inside of his fin there, on both sides, all the way down. And you're just going to grab the throat and rip it off. And now he goes for his last swim. It always helps too when your place where you're cleaning is a little bit, well, not as dirty, because then the fillets and stuff won't be able to slide around. My heart's still beating. To the throat, you're just gonna go, grab like that, cut all the way down, kind of angling your knife down, and then to get the rest of the skin off, you're just trying to peel it off. And it helps a lot more if you use a knife instead of your hand. Which, well, you'll see. It takes me a while to use my fingers, and once I use the knife like that, it comes right off. That's all you do, just peel it off. You might have to cut a little bit more in order to get a hold of it. If y'all do this and y'all eat the throats, watch out because there is bones in there as well as the ribs. There you go, that's clean. Now for the fillets, I'm going to be taking the ribs, so I'm going to clean them up a little bit by just scraping that stomach out or whatever it is. Now cut it down a little right there so you can get a grip, and then you just start. You pretty much work the fillet back and forth. And you pull the fillet, and yeah, you just hold the knife at an angle like that. And if your knife's sharp enough, it should just slide right through. The ribs, you just cut down the ribs, and you're going to cut back into the fillet because the ribs come out. And then you can just cut straight across right there. And there's probably going to be a little bit of back of the fish. Just cut those off, little bones. Now to get the blood vein out, you just cut along the red right there. And a lot of people, they don't eat that part right there. They normally throw that away, but there's no point, you're just wasting it if you throw it away. There you go, those are done. Now for this one, the same thing. Just cleaning up the ribs a little bit. And it also helps if you wear a fillet glove. It just helps you get a little bit more of a grip. Same thing with this fillet though. You just make a little cut there so you can get a grip, and you just work that knife all the way down. And right here I do end up cutting through the skin, so I'm just trying to figure out a way to clean it without messing it up more. Right here I get it. And just keep going. Just cut down right there. And then you're going to follow the ribs back. Get the blood vein out, same thing. Follow it all the way down on both sides. It's also the pin bones. And that's it. Your redfish all cleaned up, filleted,